Today I'm going over the Skil SPT79A-10 walk-behind worm drive concrete saw. You will find a link to purchase this and other models at a discount in the description below the video. You can place your order right now. I wish I could show the tool in hand, but due to how I'm filming today, you'll see a screencast of the product page while I talk through how it handles in real use and what you should know before buying. The SPT79A-10 is built around Skil's worm drive system, and that alone sets the tone. It has strong torque and holds speed under load better than many small walk-behind cutters. When you push it across a slab, the motor doesn't feel like it's fighting to keep up. The drive transfers power clean and steady, which helps the blade stay planted instead of chattering. That's one of the things people underestimate. With concrete, control matters more than raw RPM. The frame is heavier than it looks, and that's good here. The weight keeps the saw stable when you start a cut. You don't get that jump or tip forward some lighter units have.
Did you know that the best discounts on Amazon last only a few hours? That's why I launched 2 channels where I publish the highest discounts on Amazon products in real time every day. Follow the link in the description and subscribe to our Threads and Telegram channels right now to consistently save money on your everyday purchases.
The handle setup is simple, nothing fancy, but the height works for most people and the grip doesn't twist when you lean into it. The depth adjustment is also straightforward. It moves smooth enough, though it's not as refined as high-end contractor saws. Still, once you dial the depth in, it stays put. Cut visibility is decent. You can see the blade path without fighting dust spray as long as your water feed is working right. The water hookup is one area where the saw is better than expected. It connects fast and the flow keeps dust manageable. If the pressure on your side is low, the spray pattern gets weaker, so plan for that. It doesn't magically fix bad water supply, but with a normal hose, it does the job. Noise is what you'd expect from a concrete saw. It's loud, and the tone is sharp. Wear hearing protection. Vibration is lower than some compact units, but not gone. After long scoring runs, your hands feel it. That's normal, just something to keep in mind if you cut for hours at a time. Power draw is reasonable. It runs on standard 120 volt, but it needs a good circuit. If your extension cord is cheap or too long, the motor bogs. With proper gauge cable, it stays smooth. The build overall feels sturdy, not premium, but tough enough for repeated site use. It's not as polished as industrial walk-behind cutters that cost several times more, but it also doesn't feel like a disposable tool. Where it falls short is speed over large areas. The 7-inch blade limits how deep you can go in one pass. For scoring or removing old top layers, it's fine. For full depth cuts on thick slabs, expect more passes and more time. Also, blade changes are a bit cramped. Not a deal breaker, just slower than I wish. The wheels roll well on clean surfaces, but on rough, broken concrete, they catch more than heavy commercial carts. Still, for the price range, the saw performs solid. It's strong enough for home concrete work and light contractor use. If you need a daily workhorse for big demolition jobs, you may want something larger. But if you're cutting channels, expansion joints, or doing remodel prep, this is a dependable tool that doesn't feel underpowered. If this walkthrough helped, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future reviews.